The workflow starts with a Gmail trigger that checks for new emails every minute and passes incoming messages into the automation. The email is processed to extract the sender, subject, text, and HTML bodies, detect attachments using multiple strategies, extract links with regex, clean the content, and prepare a 3000 character analysis snippet to create a structured dataset for the AI. An attachment check determines whether attachments exist and routes accordingly to either process them or skip to analysis to help the AI with context. When attachments are present, they are processed by checking file types, extracting metadata, and preparing contextual text if possible so the AI understands what was included. If no attachments are present, the body text is prepared and the flow continues for efficiency. The AI agent receives the body, subject, HTML, and links and returns a summary, a call to action of reply needed, review attachment or FYI, key insights, a links list, and an attachments list with structured output to ensure valid JSON for consistent classification. The AI response is parsed safely, handling possible format differences, JSON parsing, and fallbacks to produce a clean analysis object for downstream nodes. The call to action is evaluated and urgent messages marked reply needed are routed to the Slack urgent channel while non-urgent messages continue. Non-urgent messages are checked for review attachment and routed to the Slack attachment review channel when needed or treated as informational otherwise. Urgent messages are formatted into a structured Slack alert including sender, subject, receive time, summary, and required action to enable quick team response. Messages with important attachments are sent to the attachment Slack channel with extracted links and insights. Informational emails are sent to the general Slack channel for low priority visibility. Data is then formatted for Google Sheets by extracting essential fields including sender, subject, AI summary, required action, Slack channel, attachment presence, and timestamp to keep analytics clean. The workflow logs all entries to Google Sheets to maintain a historical record of triage decisions for reporting, audits, and debugging. The automation ensures urgent emails are flagged quickly, attachments reach the right reviewers, informational messages are visible, and everything is tracked centrally to reduce manual noise. The RSS feed trigger watches Stack Overflow questions for chosen tags like JavaScript, Python, or DevOps, checking every minute for new items and passing them into the workflow. A filter ensures only relevant items with valid titles or criteria are processed to keep the pipeline clean. The topic classifier sends the title and summary to the AI, which returns a JSON field with a topic category such as front-end, back-end, DevOps, API, database, AI, or ML, or other to classify the question before generating an FAQ. The FAQ generator uses the raw Stack Overflow content and the topic category to produce a structured FAQ entry with a title, summary, answer insights, product guidance, and tags. The AI response is formatted into clean fields so the title, summary, insights, guidance, and tags are available for downstream systems. A Notion page is created with the formatted FAQ content so the team can search, bookmark, and reference entries internally. The AI and Notion data are merged to include both the content and the Notion page URL for Slack notifications. The team is notified on Slack with the FAQ title, summary, topic category, tags, and links to the Notion FAQ and the original Stack Overflow question to support continuous learning and sharing. An error trigger catches failures in the classifier, generator, or Notion nodes and activates alerts. Slack error alerts include the failed node name, the error message, and a timestamp to help the team troubleshoot issues quickly.